Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add bar of pie chart in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to add the bar of pie. Select the data to this chart, click and drag on our mouse. Then we go to the insert menu. Select the recommended chart drop down menu and go to the all chart option. Now I am select the pie option and select the bar of pie. Now I am select this and click OK. Now we can see we make a bar of pie chart easily. You can rename the title. Click inside the text box and rename the title. Otherwise you can change the layout. Go to the design menu and added another layout or style. Now we can see we added bar of pie chart in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.